Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. So let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your overall energies. Love energy, Scorpios. Nine of Cups, King of Pentacles, the High Priestess. Scorpios, the energy with these cards is that, guys, you are feeling that happiness and contentment. You have that authority to deal with things, and in your life, people look up to you. They take your counsel and they listen to you. So you, what to say, you know how to handle your situation. So people take your counsel, guys. So that is the energy here, and you feel that what to say, contentment, happiness, and you are tasting success in your life. You are seeing success, whatever it is, in your work life and in your personal life with this person. Maybe for some of you all, you may be in a happy relationship. You may want to take it forward by starting a family, having a child, or for some of you all, if you are single and if you're open to relationship, you may be having somebody who's admiring you secretly, guys. So some friend or some family, they may communicate to you about the secret admirer or their secret admiration. They may not come out with the truth as yet, but you are coming to know about this person, that they have great admiration for you and they love you. Maybe someone from your friend circle, someone you knew from your childhood days, some neighbor or some colleague, someone from your work, maybe. That may also be the energy here, Scorpios. So somebody is having great love for you, but they have not come out with the proposal as yet, but they are watching you from a distance. They want to come towards you. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. Let us see what is coming up with this other set of cards here, guys. Stars, dog, birds. Scorpios, just like I said, you are seeing the path to your success. So whatever goals you want to reach, whatever things you want to manifest in your life, you are clearly seeing the path. And if you are in this relationship with this person is totally devoted to you. They love you. You have a deep bond with this person, guys, and you share a good what to say, affection. You have mutual affection, understanding, and compatibility is there. Intimacy is there in this relationship, and they are loyal and trustworthy, guys. You can rely on them. And maybe for some of you all, you may be taking counsel from somebody, some friends or family, regarding your situation, regarding this relationship, whether you want to take it forward, or regarding the secret admirer that you have. You are discussing few things with them, few friends. You want to find out more about them, and you are talking to people, your friends, whoever they are, maybe some common friends, and finding out more information about this person. That is also the energy here. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. I'll be picking one card from the angel deck. Let us see what is coming, guys. Be accommodating. Scorpio, sometimes in life we need to listen to others in any particular situation. When we listen to other people's viewpoints about certain things, we just expand our point of view also at the same time, and we get a better understanding, and we foster a great integrity in that relationship, guys. So sometimes we need to accommodate other people's ideas and beliefs. So you do not have to leave your own ideas and beliefs, you have to listen to them, and when you come to a solution, you can think within yourself, you can think what the other person has said, and you have to think about your own decision about the situation, then come to a clear understanding what needs to be done in any situation. So you need to be very flexible in your life, in your work situation, and in your family life, in this relationship with this person. So when you do that, you will automatically deepen the level of communication, guys. When you listen to the other person, you will deepen the level of your communication. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, guys, Scorpios. And that is the reading for today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.